Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Xbox to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot step by step. So let's get started first. Make sure you know your Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot name and password. You can find these details using the Xfinity app or from your account information. Once you have the correct details, turn on your Xbox console and go to the home screen. Now press the Xbox button on your controller and open Settings. From here, go to General and select Network Settings. Next, choose Set up Wireless Network. Your Xbox will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks nearby. From the list of networks, find and select your Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot. After selecting it, you will be asked to enter the password. Carefully type the password using the on-screen keyboard and then select Enter your Xbox will now try to connect to the hotspot. Wait a few seconds while it checks the network and completes the setup. Once connected, you can run a test network connection to confirm everything is working properly. If you face any issues, make sure your password is correct, move closer to the hotspot for a better signal, or restart your console and router. You can also visit Xbox support for additional help. And that's it, your Xbox is now connected to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.